How to turn on Facebook dating. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode I'll be showing you the ways to turn on Facebook dating. So in order to get started you can go ahead and log in into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, it's going to direct you to the home page. So the home page is going to look something like this. Now to enable the dating on Facebook, tap the tab bar icon from the top, and right on the section you'll be able to find the heart icon located right in between, and under it you'll be able to see an option as dating. So in order to turn it on, all you have to do is just tap on it, and then you might be asked to create some profile and all sort of things. However, if you're unable to find the following options like mine, so what you can do is, first of all, you can go ahead and update your Facebook app. So for that, go ahead and open up your Play Store, and then on the search box type in Facebook. So click the update button if you see update, and after you're done updating your application, restart your device one more time, and at the same time reinstall it. That might be able to fix your Facebook app. And apart from it, what else you can do is to go through the Facebook guidelines. The following dating feature is only available in certain part of the world, so that might not be available on your region. So in this way you can turn on Facebook dating. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.